Hello everyone, hope everyone well. In this video I am going to show you data entry associate job in your home. This is a home job, so you can do this job from your home. So this is a data entry job, this is a easy job, this is a remote job, and from the job you can earn hourly $13. This is a huge amount, so don't miss this opportunity. So if you want to do this job, you have to watch my full video. So let's start. If you are new in this my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Some of the people can't if you can't understand my English, so please watch my video and you will understand about the job. So in the job, something you can see, $13 hourly, remote job, full-time, entry level. So you don't need to be a pro level data entry operator. So if you be a entry level operator, you can do the job. Here you can see in this company is 10,000 employees company, IT service and IT consulting provide this company. Skill virtual assistance, online data entry, plus 8 more skill you have to apply. How can you apply this job? In this, if you want to apply this job, so in this video description my job apply link is there. So I have to know this about the job. You have to do in the job description: data entry associate, work from home, must live in Sandy UT. What have in this next? Salary. In this video, salary I told you before, $13 hourly. Move to ABC rate after 90 days. Author, that means you have to, after 90 days you can increase your salary. So hourly $13. If you work every day 8 hours, think about it. Every day you can earn more than $100. So you have to work Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to clean desk. Would you like to be a part of this team that play? Hello everyone, hope you are well. In this video I am going to show you data entry home work job. So in this job you are able to do the job from your home. This is a remote job, so you have to watch this full video. Let's start. If you are new in my YouTube channel, for more videos about this job, remote job, home job, you have to stay my channel and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start. This is job is about data entry associate. Here you can see only $13 remote job, full-time, entry level. About this company is about 10,000 employees company, IT service and IT consulting. So you need to have some skill like virtual assistant, online data entry, plus 8 more. About the job, this is through our dedicated associate conduct delivers. Here some about this company and job about. So let's start the job description. Job description, you see data entry associate, work from home. So you can easily work this job from your home. Then you can see must live in Sandy UT. Then move to another part. Here you can see salary part. Here you can see $13 hourly. Move to ABC rate after 90. After 90 days you can increase your salary. This is a great opportunity. You have to work Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to clean desk. Or would you like to be a part of our team that plays a vital role in the supporting our business operation? Join our team today. Also, they want to tell you, please apply this job today, from today. About the data entry associate role, as a member of the team, you will be responsible for performing tasks such as entering data at a fast and accurate rate. So you can check this everything after click the apply link. What's waiting for you next? Requirement. Which requirement do you need? Demonstrated ability to type 35 word per minute. That means every minute you have to write 35 word, 10 key typing. Attention to detail, great communication skill, be accurate and be able to minimize error. That means you have to, if you are able to not make any error, that will be great. Performing clear task function as needed. High school diploma to grade. And this is the job requirement. How you can be part of the future. This is something right about the job, so you can check from there. So if you want to join the job, please check the description. From there you can apply. You can see there is an apply link, so click there and apply the job. And for apply the job, you have to be a LinkedIn account. Without a LinkedIn account you are not able to apply the job. So please open a LinkedIn account for apply these types of job. In future I will show you all over world all types of data entry, lead generation, easy job that you can do from your home, from India, from Bangladesh, from Nepal, from Bhutan, from Pakistan, from Middle East, anywhere from your home you can do this job. So if you want to do job from USA, from New York, from Australia, from Canada, from England, everywhere you, from anywhere you can do this job. I hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and write a comment below which types of job do you want in future. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you everyone.